Hey guys, I'm seeing a lot of my friends getting sick right now, so I want to show you how to make samgyetang, which Koreans eat to boost immunity and stamina. This is sweet rice, chapsa in Korean. Sweet rice is different from regular Korean rice. It's extra sticky and soft when cooked and mainly used in making rice cake, batter, or porridge. You can buy a kit like this from H-Mart or online, which is all the medicinal plants and herbs for samgyetang. You don't have to use medicinal ingredients, but you must have garlic and green onions at least. Soak these ingredients and wash them. This is Cornish hen. You can get from H-Mart or Costco. It's much younger and smaller than regular chicken. It's very tender and lean. Wash the chicken inside out thoroughly. Make sure to remove the giblets from inside. Cut up the wingtips, tail, and fat. Cut off any loose fatty skins like these. 8 cups of water in a pot. Add these branch-looking ingredients in the water and start to heat. Time to stuff the chicken. Bend the neck so it blocks the top hole. I put garlic chestnut first to further block the hole. Then add some sweet rice, more garlic, dates, and ginseng. Make a cut below the chicken thigh so you can put the other leg in there to keep the chicken cross legs. If you don't want to stuff the chicken or want extra stuffing, you can always get something like this. Add sweet rice and other ingredients and boil with the chicken. Add the chicken, garlic, and green onions and bring to boil, then boil on medium to high heat. Leave the lid slightly open to prevent boiling over. Skim off foam and fat once in a while. After 20 minutes, lower the heat and let it simmer with the lid closed for another 20 minutes. Serve with salt, chopped green onions, and add to your liking before eating. You can also use a mix of salt and pepper to dip some of the chicken in. Pepper. So tender. 시원하다. I have a confession to make. My favorite part of the chicken is tailbone. I love the texture. Don't judge me. It's been really difficult 2021 for everyone. I wish you strength and health for you and your family. 위하여! 칭!